The Morfone Ear Cleaner. This innovative gadget certainly promises to change the game in ear hygiene. Let's delve deeper into its key features and see if it might be the answer to your ear cleaning woes. Deep and gentle cleaning. ×3 hole, 270-degree surround spray. Unlike traditional swabs that can push wax deeper, Morfone uses a unique spray mechanism to gently remove wax and debris from all angles, reaching even the trickiest areas. Multi-mode options. Choose from normal, strong, gentle, and pulse spray modes to customize the cleaning experience based on your sensitivity and needs. Temperature monitoring ensures a comfortable cleaning experience by constantly monitoring and adjusting the water temperature. Safety and convenience. IP67 waterproof design. Both the device and the nozzles are waterproof, making them safe for shower or bath use and easy to clean. Auto-collect wastewater, no more messy drips or spills. The built-in tank collects wastewater for hygienic disposal. Interchangeable nozzles. Different nozzle sizes cater to various ear canal shapes and preferences. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Morfone Ear Cleaner. Pros. Compact and portable. Easy to use. Reduced risk of ear infections. Cons. New technology. Potential cost. Battery life. Not a medical device. Overall impression. The Morfone Ear Cleaner presents a compelling solution for those seeking a safe, effective, and convenient way to clean their ears. Its innovative spray technology, multi-mode options, safety features, and portability make it an intriguing option for ear hygiene on the go. However, the newness of the technology, potential cost, battery life considerations, and non-medical claims are aspects to weigh before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.